eToro Options Beta App Pricing explained what you get for your money. eToro Options Beta is a new platform designed to give investors access to options trading within the eToro ecosystem. Most people assume options trading platforms are expensive or complex, but eToro Options Beta has clear, transparent pricing. The app is free to download and allows users to explore options markets and access educational resources. Trading fees are included in the spread starting from $75 per contract, with no hidden monthly charges. Advanced features like real-time analytics, strategy simulations, and risk management tools are available to active traders at no additional subscription cost. The surprising truth is that eToro Options Beta integrates seamlessly with your existing eToro account, allowing you to trade stocks, ETFs, and options in one platform. This makes it easy to manage your portfolio while experimenting with options strategies safely. In conclusion, eToro Options Beta pricing is straightforward and value-driven. Understanding the trading fees and included features ensures you can explore options trading effectively while keeping costs transparent and predictable.